At Spitwater, we understand building and property maintenance in Australian conditions. That's why we have developed our range of industrial cold water petrol pressure cleaners to suit the needs of your job to be done. Whether you're looking at maintaining your building for image purposes, or it might be safety related in large areas for slip hazards. Whatever that task is, we have the right machine for your job to be done. All of our industrial range of cold water petrol pressure cleaners come with our ever reliable Honda engine. Our Honda engines we use on our machine are factory approved and tested for Australian conditions with Australian fuel and backed in Australia by a 3-year warranty from Honda. This Honda engine is paired with our ever reliable Interpump Italian-made pump. This pump is a low-speed pump driven by our unique OzTough belt drive system. This OzTough belt drive system with our low-speed pump is also coupled to our bypass cooling tank. When you take your hand off the trigger in normal operation, instead of that water circulating through the pump head and increasing in heat, this acts like a radiator in times when you don't have your hand on the trigger. This will lead to a much longer pump life. So whether you're looking at using one of our pressure cleaners for an industrial application in a large area where you'll be on a surface cleaner for 4 to 5 hours at a time, or whether you're on and off the trigger in sort of more delicate situations, we've made sure that our Spitwater pressure cleaners are designed to handle the rigours of everyday operation in this building and maintenance sector. The most common flow in our machines that we use in this sector are our 15 litre per minute and our 21 litre per minute. The 15 litre is ideal when we're using this machine in portable applications such as residential areas, where we can't always be assured that we have 21 and 30 litres of flow available. If, however, you do choose to hook our 15 litre machine or our 21 to a buffer system so that you can actually have a reservoir of water supply, these machines are capable of that due to how they're set up with our low speed pumps, our belt drive and the unique bypass cooling tank. Our 21 litre machine will give you approximately 30% faster cleaning times compared to 15. Whilst we have found our 15 litre per minute machine and our 21 litre per minute machines, whether it be 200 bar or 250 bar, are our perfect sweet spot for everyday use in the building and property maintenance sector. We do also offer a full range of cold water pressure cleaners starting at 11 litres per minute, ranging right through to 30 litres per minute. These machines are also available in various configurations in hot water as portable skids. One of the other advantages of these industrial machines is we can actually hook up an external heating cylinder to heat that water for jobs where we might not be able to use chemical, but we need that cleaning power of the hot water. So whilst the portability of these pressure cleaners is a feature, there are many applications where you may need to permanently mount these machines to the back of your ute, trailer or inside a van. We have special applications at Spitwater where we can remove our wheels, use an anti-vibration mount to mount these permanently into your trailer, van or ute setup for you. So whilst we understand that increasing our flow can reduce our cleaning time, another important factor when it comes to time is downtime. We make our Spitwater pressure cleaners here in Australia to be the most reliable pressure cleaners on the market. However, these pressure cleaners do have wear and tear items and consumable components that need replacing. If you do need to replace these components, service your machine, or do need a repair, you can be guaranteed that timely access to our parts through our over 100 strong dealer network will get you back to work faster. So whilst flow is extremely important in creating our time savings, choosing the right accessories and attachments can really make sure that we optimise the performance and time savings for that job. So whether we look at choosing a long cast nozzle for reaching to higher areas of buildings without the need for EWPs or ladders, or a larger surface cleaner for getting through large concrete areas much quicker, you can be guaranteed that when you come into Spitwater, we have the right advice to give you the right accessories coupled to your machine to get through your job faster. Whilst we all know a surface cleaner is a great tool for allowing us to get through large areas of concrete and roofing in a much shorter period of time, choosing a correctly sized surface cleaner to your machine is extremely important. So we need to make sure we get the diameter of the surface cleaner right, the nozzles suited to your machine, and also we may simply need to choose whether we have wheels or no wheels depending on the surface being cleaned. So many applications in property maintenance do not allow us to get the machine right to actually where we're doing the cleaning. This may require us to run hose lengths of up to 50 metres from the front of a building to around the back of the building. When it comes to winding up 50 metres of hose, this is something that is not only awkward and cumbersome, it's also time consuming. So we have many options available for winding up the hose, whether it be a hose reel mount on the top of the pressure cleaner or hose reels mounted externally on your ute, tray or van. Ease of setup and pack up through use of a hose reel is another example of where we can save you time. There are many jobs in building and property maintenance that require us to work external and at greater distances from our pressure cleaner. This could be even on a roof. During a 6, 8 or 10 hour day in property maintenance, there can be many hours where we're using our machine but we don't actually have our hand pulled on the trigger. This could be because we're operating at the back of a building, or we could be simply changing attachments between foamers, surface cleaners and long cast nozzles. It is extremely important to keep our pump cool whilst our hand is not on the trigger. This is where our bypass cooling tank comes into play and allows that water to circulate through that tank, effectively keeping the pump cooler, leading to extended pump life and less costs and repairs of that pump. Our Australian-made industrial pressure cleaners have been trusted in the industry by commercial operators and professionals for over 40 years. If you're in the building and property maintenance industry and you're looking to streamline your operations through improved efficiencies and optimising your performance, come in and see us at your Spitwater dealer and we'll find the perfect solution for you. Hard jobs made easy with Spitwater.